Welcome back to another episode of the Resell My Way to 8K series, where I buy items from thrift stores and garage sales for really cheap and flip them online for a profit. Then once an item sells, I'll add it back into the budget to pay off my $8,000 worth of student loans. What is going on, you guys? Today we're at the Goodwill Bins, and today we're going to try and see if we can resell some stuff on eBay and Amazon FBA to flip online for a profit. So before we actually start thrifting today, what I wanted to mention is that the Goodwill Bins is actually 60 miles from my house there and back, 120 miles in total. So we're actually going to subtract $20 for gasoline. So after subtracting that amount, that's the amount that we're going to use to thrift today to resell online for a profit. All right.
I think they're all single these.
Yeah, I think so too. These are pretty nice. Steel DVD, snag that. Pretty good, how about you? Want some knives? Have you found Super Mario Bros? Hey, that's worth it, that's good.
Wii Sports.
Yeah, 15 bucks.
I'm just gonna hold on to the case just in case if I find the game. My buddy trades me for stuff like records for games. So.
I'll buy it off you right now, $5.
$5 for this?
Yeah.
Cool.
You have a 5?
I got a 5.
I've had 5 singles if you don't have 5.
Awesome.
Wii Sports. Is this printer ink? HP 95. Oh, it's open. So I just wanted to hop in here and share a quick tip with you guys. If you sell DVDs on eBay or Amazon, if you ever see the flap, the seal hanging off the side, that means it's probably a reseal. Also, I found this DVD set that was worth around 25-30 bucks, but some of the discs were loose inside of the bin and they were scratched up. So everything's all tangled up right now, but this charger's actually worth $16 to $20 plus shipping on eBay. So I'm gonna try and untangle all these wires, get it out. So first recap, we bought this off of one of my friends in here for $5. It's Wii Sports, but this is still good for like $15 loose, so 5 into 15 really fast. And I could honestly even get $5 for just the case and manual as well only. After further inspecting these Jordan foam pods, they're just way too dirty and they're like cracking over here on the side, so I'm gonna definitely pass on these. I only found one of these Coach shoes. I'm gonna try and see if I can find the other match, but so far I can't. Same with this New Balance shoe. But I did find these pair of Nikes. They're the style AA2146-401. There's no sold comps in the past 90 days, but they're selling from anywhere between 60 and 100 bucks, so I think I should be able to get like $30 to $35 on these. They're in pretty decent shape. And we also found this DVD. This is a $20 after fee DVD all day long. We also found this like briefcase, but it also has like a keyboard, but I just can't seem to find like a brand name anywhere. So like maybe it's just a generic brand and it's worthless, or this is something that's really expensive, because it seems like it would be something that'd be like, you know, at least 50 to 60 bucks in a store. So I'm not sure. Look at what I just found in the bin. Wii Sports with the manual. So now I can actually complete the Wii Sports, and then I'll just have a separate Super Mario Bros. Game case to sell. And I'm sorry, I actually just recorded this off camera, but Emma actually found the matching pair for these Coach shoes. So since I gave her the Adidas, she gave me the matching Coach shoes. I should be able to get like 25 bucks plus shipping on these. Someone's original receipt. They paid Wii Game Party for $20. Wow, Wii Game Party is worth like $50 to $60 now. It's kind of crazy. Excuse me, just to make sure, this is $2, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. $9.38 you said?
Yes.
All right. Wow, so that was pretty successful if I do say so myself. All right, guys, so we have some stuff to talk about. So I just picked up this DVD up at the counter for $2. Sometimes they individually price random stuff like video games. I've never seen DVDs individually priced. Normally they're 25 cents, but they were selling this for $2. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look. $40 on Amazon FBA. So I also just wanted to share something about these shoes with you guys. Something like this will probably not sell super fast on eBay. However, you can still get $25 to $30 if you wait for the right buyer. But when you're first starting out on eBay, it's nice to actually just add more quantity of items into your store. So that way, pretty much for every 100 items, you sell 1 to 2 items every single day. And then it's also nice to add like faster selling stuff like video games and DVDs, but it's good to have just an influx of stuff when you're first starting out. And then after the first haul, I took a break and stopped at Wall and got a bagel, a water, and a banana for $6.93. And some people were actually asked not to film after they did the second switch, but I just wanted to film my cart so I could show you guys so you don't think I'm lying when I found all this stuff. So for some reason, they made a big announcement to everyone that they don't want anyone recording in there. Is what it is. So I just got 9.5 pounds worth of shoes and 3 1/4 of a pound of just like regular stuff like basically hats, and everything came out to a total of $21.20 for everything that's inside of the cart. So we picked up so many different hats. All of these hats should go from anywhere between $10 and $15 plus shipping. So this Kangol hat. So I want to jump in here and talk to you guys about these hats. So not all hats actually sell. These are just my estimations for prices because not all hats actually have exact sold comps. Sometimes they're just similar styles, similar colorways. I also feel that hats used to sell super duper fast, but they don't sell as fast as they used to now. So some of these hats will be sitting for a while, but like I mentioned earlier, it's just good to keep adding listings to your eBay store. Brand new Tags Guinness Fedora. This is actually probably the rarest hat that I found today because it's vintage and it's made in USA. Houston Astros. So it's a vintage Houston Astros hat. It's just a little bit dirty, but I think I may be able to clean it and still get like 20, 25 bucks. Then also a New York Mets 47 brand pink hat. It's pretty interesting, maybe 15, 20 bucks. Then I got this Six Flags, the Flash hat. Should be able to get like 15, 20 bucks. 10 on the Phillies hat, 10 on the Jaguars hat, 10 on the Peanuts hat, 10 on the Nike hat, and 10 on the Titleist hat. Then I just picked up these pretty cool like girls Nike shoes, probably 25 bucks. Nice pair of Uggs, probably 25, 30 bucks. Same with these Uggs. Under Armour tactical boots, probably 40 bucks. Coach shoes, 20 bucks. And then this was probably the best find of the day. These Adidas cleats are actually really rare and very expensive. Normally $220 brand new. There's a sold comp of 100 bucks, so I should be able to get probably $75 to $90 for it. All right, guys, so it's the next day after getting back from the Goodwill Bins, and this is everything that we picked up yesterday. Everything minus the CD changer. And I know I spent a lot of money yesterday, but that's why I got to get to listing all of these items. I added everything up, and conservatively, this should end up being around $400 in sales. So after fees and cost of goods and basically what I spent yesterday, I should be able to make a conservative $300 in profit. And it does scare me with how low of a budget that we actually have, but I am going to get the listing. So hopefully by the time we start the next episode, I'm going to have some items that actually sell so we can add some money back into the fund. If you guys haven't already seen the first episode or the second episode, please go ahead and check those episodes out. Have a good day, guys. Peace.